Kalupara rin minunami ng akasabi dikil king pa mag-vape, pampalako muna man king stressing sangkanan ng 20 years old na Marvin, ay natutong lagyo king kayang pamangamit kanini.
Matatanggal na ako kay stress tapos aywas ko na yung aliwang kay bisyo kalupa na ng kay sigarilyo.
Kapag wala na pang Marvin, mas mayap na vaping gagamitan na kaysa king sigarilyo ing kayang sinjon. Dapot ing Department of Health o DOH, balaw sing paganakaakaparehas namuning aso kalulwal iba't king e-cigarette vape at aliwa pang heated tobacco products ing manibatan king sigarilyo. Buri ng sabihan atin muna man matsurang epekto ing pamangamit vape. Kaya ba nakareni ing pangalason, pangasira, silab at toxicity king katawan. Base king 2019 Global Youth Tobacco Survey at sulaking 11% ng estudyante king mabilog abang saring gagamit tobacco. 10% la ring manyagarilyo at 14% la ring gagamit e-cigarettes. Inyang 2021 naman, linto king datos sa Philippine Pediatric Society ay 11% na ring estudyante edad 10 to 15 years old ding meka subok ng vape. Ding mani munang sangkan kano kanini ing online accessibility, ring mialiw ang flavors a pagpilian at ing kapanwala na mas ligtas sa ring e-cigarettes kesa king sigarilyo. Mumunikala na namang Finance Secretary Ralph Recto in pamagban king pamamisalira rin disposable vape king bangsa. Agpang pakarekto, kaya rakalan kano ka ng disposable vape, ding ali makarehistro king Department of Trade and Industry o DTI. Susuportan na naman ding aliwa pang senadoring munikala ng Recto, kalupa ng Senator Pia Cayetano, JV Ejercito at Bongo.
It's really a big problem. I'm glad Secretary Recto said something about banning. Singapore banned vape. Vaping, the health experts there knew that vape is dangerous. So I don't know, in the Philippines we passed a law that actually... alam ko kumontra si Doktora doon. Doktora was one of those that actually made sure that ang DTI lang will approve the vape, pero you make sure that FDA will still register what you inhale. Because that's the law. What you put in your mouth and what you inhale should pass through FDA for safety.
Inyawad na muna man ng DOH ang sahop ng Philippine National Police o PNP king implementasyon na ning batas.
I have no police powers. I'm going around the mall. I'm seeing kids in high school uniform. Kids, high school uniform, in the lang school bag. May hawak na vape. Diba? That's a problem. And the law states binaba kasi nila smoking from 21 to 18. So I'm going to talk to PNP Chief Accord and say, boss, wala naman akong kapasidad manghuli. Pero we will ask your help. Yun ang next meeting ko. I will ask his help to implement the law. Kasi police siya. He will implement na. 18 years old. What's the problem? The vape companies are greedy. They're selling to below 18. That's against the law. So sabi ko, hindi naman yung bata ang hulihin natin. Hulihin mo yung nagbenta dun sa bata.
Inutos na ng PNP Chief General Benjamin Acorde Jr. ang pamangawang operation guidelines bang asigurong alalang access ding menor de edad king e-cigarettes at marakapla ring magtinda karela. Makataluki ini king Republic Act 11900 ang mag-regulate king importation, pamamisali, packaging, distribution at pamangamit king vaporized nicotine at non-nicotine products. Samantala nung sakali na mamaaproba ng pamagbanking disposable vape, talo kineman kano Kenny i Marvin.
Mag-agree na ako kitang tanggalan na yung vape para yan ako, wala na akong masaling vape pa para yan ako may gastos.
Ako, ingke kayong talusuyo, liya na kanilaw, ating pusong makabalin.